The oven is hot.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today, we're making biscuits and sausage gravy. Let's get started. What is this? We're gonna need 1 cup of non-dairy milk to make buttermilk, and 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. This is gonna make our milk curdle. We're gonna stir that together and set aside. I have here 2½ cups of flour, 1/4 a cup of sugar, ½ teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and a ½ cup of vegan butter. This butter is room temperature. I left it sitting out for a couple of hours. We are ready to add our milk and a whisk. Maybe I should use a pastry cutter first. Y'all know I don't like baking. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, okay. Don't use the whisk. Don't X-nay on the whisk.
Okay, we're gonna use our hands.
This is too sticky for my liking, so I'm gonna add 1/4 a cup of flour. Let me add a little bit at a time so I have no regrets. What's the regrets? Oh yeah, that feels much better. Oh, that feels much better. Alright, we're now gonna flour our surface before we roll out our biscuits, because this is what the professionals do.
Coming for you, Food Network.
I'm gonna roll this bad boy on out. Oh, she's still sticky. It's okay. Oh, okay. I am not coming for you, Food Network. Your job is secure.
Very secure.
Oh, I don't like baking. Oh, I do not like to bake. It's so stressful. You know what? We don't need you either. We like our hands. Now you're gonna take your very expensive, exclusive biscuit cutter and you're gonna just make some biscuits here. Okay? Got the parchment paper ready. I'm gonna put a little bit more dust on the rest of these too. Just keep dusting till you, it's a feeling you're supposed to have. I'll dust you too. $350, 20 minutes, but I'm gonna watch it. Now let's make our sausage gravy. I'm gonna add just a smidge of butter to the pan. Then I'm gonna add some Light Life Gimme lean sausage. This looks nasty. You can use your favorite meatless crumbles. I'm actually trying this out for the first time. It just looks good on the package. I'm about to cut you open. I want all this out. If I got new vegans watching, y'all, I swear it's gonna get better. Don't judge her right now.
She ain't put on her makeup yet. Hold on.
Yeah, I think I would have preferred to use crumbles, but I'm giving her a chance. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and flour the sausage, guys, and add the milk and see if that helps dissolve the pieces a little bit better. 2 tablespoons of flour. 1 cup of milk. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon sage. And a teaspoon of salt. This is a lot more meat, so I'm gonna add a little bit more milk to the pan. Adding another ½ a cup of milk. Now you can have it as thick or thin as you like, just judge from your gravy. As you guys can see, it's already thickening up. I'm now gonna add some pepper and then give this a taste and see what we need to add. That ain't bad, y'all. I might add more milk to cut the salt. Or maybe more pepper. Something gotta cut this salt. It's salty.
And I love salt. Love.
Add a bit more pepper. And another 1/4 a cup of milk. Again, guys, judge. I can already tell it's getting thicker. This will not hurt it at all. Alright, I'm gonna let that sit and thicken up, which shouldn't take any more than 2 minutes. My timer just went off for the biscuits, so let's check on these bad boys. Ooh. Okay, I think that's done. Alright, I'm gonna taste one of the soft biscuits and see if we did a good job, because we were stressed. That's good. It's soft, buttery, flavorful. I just know some people like hard biscuits with their gravy. Now off camera, because I gotta be real with y'all, I did add another teaspoon of flour before I cut the stove off because it was getting a little thin. So it's one of those recipes that you have to just watch the stove, guys. If you see it getting thick, add some more milk. If it's too thin, add some more flour, but watch it. wait and see what it's gonna do every 2 minutes before you add another ingredient. Just wanted to show you guys the final consistency. I like it like this. Again, I think I'll use the crumbles next time I make this. The light tastes good. I do like the flavor of them, but I don't like the fact that it didn't crumble. That is good. All right, guys, I'm joined here by some guests. I'm gonna move out the camera. I ain't gotta be here. This is
the Curvy Vegan,
Yes.
Nisi.
And G4 Joy, you know.
perfect. Y'all know the drill. They about to eat it. Y'all, I'm over here.
Well, we need some forks first.
Oh, y'all cultured.
I like this. It kind of reminds me of like dressing. Is that weird?
Oh, sage is in there. I did put some sage in there.
I like the fluffy biscuit. I like it
I
fluffy.
ain't trying to fluffy biscuits shit over.
I know if I get you a plain biscuit from scratch.
This is great.
Yay!
I'm gonna keep eating this off
Yeah,
camera.
right. I figured that. I was like,
See y'all.
they still eating. So, okay. Bye, y'all. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.